For that, we're gonna be using this stv is library. This library allows us to use image in our program, and for this we just download stv library from there. There's the download raw button. Just click on it and it will download. And all we have to do is put this library inside the include folder of our project. And we need to create a C++ file with these two lines of code. Hashtag define stv image implementation, and second hashtag include stv image.h, and that's it. Or we can just directly put this thing inside our project folder. It really doesn't matter. So let's do that. This I already have it downloaded. I'm just gonna delete this one, and this is inside the library, inside the include. I can create a folder as well, but since stv right now is just one file, so I'm just gonna drag and drop over here, and we are done. So we are done, and then we need to use something for the thumb. My bad. We need to use an image for our texture, so we need to open again our project folder and drag and drop the image we want to use. I want to use these two images, so drag and drop them here, and we are done. We have our texture image, and we have the library. Let's go and do new C++. I'm just gonna do std. I think this is fine. std.c++. Define. stv image implementation, and then we just have to include this image.h, and that's it. We are done, and all we have to do is compile this one only once. We have to compile this file only once, and we are done. Right click on this thing and compile, and that's it. There's a problem. My bad. It gave an error because of that. When you define it, you define a macro. So adding this colon here is kind of undefined behavior, because macro does not mean a colon. So because that gave an error, we need to do it again. Compile, and it's compiling, as you can see, and it's successful. We can just close this one and go back to our main file, and we can use it by including this thing over here. Include std image.h, and we are done. That's all we needed to do. We can now use the image here. We can use the image in our program.